We often talk about chance in terms of words, heads or tails, win or lose. But to really understand it, we need numbers. That's where the idea of a random variable comes in. Think of it as a translator. It takes an outcome, like flipping two heads, and translates it into a number, in this case, the number 2. This simple act of turning outcomes into numbers lets us create a powerful tool, the probability distribution. It's basically a cheat sheet for a random event. It lists every possible number the variable can be and the exact probability for each one. For flipping two coins, the number of heads can be 0, 1, or 2. The probabilities are 1/4, 1/2, and 1/4. The golden rule: all the probabilities must add up to exactly 1. With this cheat sheet, we can calculate the most powerful concept of all, the expected value. This isn't what you will get on the next try. It's the average result if you could repeat the event an infinite number of times. It's the center of gravity of the probabilities. Let's apply this to a carnival game. It costs $2 to play. You roll a die, and if you get a 6, you win $10. Is it a fair game? Let's analyze our net gain. We have a 1 in 6 chance of winning $8 and a much larger 5 in 6 chance of losing our $2. We multiply each outcome by its probability and add them up. $8 times 1/6 plus -$2 times 5/6. The result is -33 cents. On average, you lose 33 cents every single time you play. The game isn't fair. It's built on a mathematical certainty that you will lose in the long run. This isn't just for games. Expected value is the invisible engine that powers the entire insurance and gambling industry, proving that knowing the long-term average is the ultimate advantage.